Hey guys, a lesson learned a long time ago and ignored will always get you in trouble. And this cost me about an hour and a half, which is a pain in the ass. I was getting ready to bolt the bell housing on my 3650 that I've been having so much trouble with. What happened is that when I pulled this off, these are the detents. They're little spring-loaded detents for the shifter arms. And so there's a little spring in there. And they're just detents. And so when I pulled it out, they popped out. And I was thinking, I don't really have the star Torx bit for these, but there's not a lot of spring pressure on them, so they'll probably just push right back in. No, they won't. So these little guys had to be removed. And lesson learned a long time ago, the right tool for the right job. Now, I didn't have the number 40 Torx bit. You can see this is new because I went and got one. But I had, that's not even it, I had a bunch out. But I had this one, which wasn't a star bit, but I thought I'd give it a shot because it was tight, and it actually loosened up two and stripped the third one. So I'm screwed. I had to beat the hell out of it, chisel it, punch it, everything else, literally destroying it to get it out. Beat this up a little bit, but that doesn't matter. But so that's a pain in the ass. So literally had to go down to the hardware store and buy me one of these, a 3/4 by half by 20, which is amazing because it's an American thread with Japanese wrenches. But this is the closest I could get. So what do? Get out the lathe. Hour and a half later, this is what I've got. I literally had to shorten it, reduce the diameter, the outside diameter, and then I had to hand grind the flats to a 13. So I did that and put a little quick polish on it, made sure this was the right length because that's a spring tension on that. So yeah, 2 hours later, by not having the right tool, busted my ass having to make something, but when you get old that happens. So just to let you guys know, in case you ever have to do this, these three guys have to come out, and it's a number 40 Torx. So my mistake, your gain, and so maybe I'll get this SOB back together today. All right, guys, that's it.